YouTubers, what is up? Mike Johnston here from Mike'sLessons.com, and it is time to work on your hands. This is an exercise that I use all the time when I'm warming up backstage before a drum clinic or a drum festival because it's rhythmically interesting enough to keep my brain active, but it's also physically demanding enough to warm up my wrists as well as my fingers. So pretty much the first thing you're gonna have to do is take the flam tap, and turn that into a number. Consider that to be flam twos. So it's flam 2, flam 2, flam 2, flam 2, flam 2, flam 2, flam. As soon as you make that mental adjustment, now that allows that rudiment that we're all stuck inside of to become flam 3s, flam 4s, flam 5s. You just count up to a number. Flam 2, 3, flam 2, 3, flam 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You get the idea. So this is a one measure exercise built out of flam 2s and flam 3s. We're feeling this as 16th notes, and we've got flam 2, 3, flam 2, 3, flam 2, flam 2, 3, flam 2, flam 2, 3. So think of it this way: 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Flam 2, 3, flam 2, 3, flam 2, flam 2, 3, flam 2, flam 2, 3. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Try it with me nice and slow, 55 beats per minute. Okay, feel nice and slow. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. Do it with me. Flam 2, 3, flam 2, 3, flam 2, flam 2, 3, flam 2, flam 2, 3. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. And you can already start to hear there's a melody in there somewhere. It's not just da 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 da. We've got blut to blut to blut blut to blut blut to 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 get. That's cool stuff. Now before we move on, quick tip. We've got our goal tempo coming up, which is 120 beats per minute, which is lightning fast compared to where we were. Now to do that with all wrists ain't gonna happen. You would be... It causes like intense blinking when you try to play with your wrist that fast. You're gonna need to activate your fingers. And the best way to learn how to do that, hold the sticks at the top and just play groupings on your forearm. Do not move your wrist. So you could do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single stroke roll. Doing that for 10 to 15 minutes throughout the day will really help develop the muscles you're gonna need to play this at our goal tempo. 120 beats per minute. That's moving pretty quick. 1, 2, ready, go. If you're able to do that with me, congratulations, because that thing is freaking metabulating. So you could probably go to the pro hand speed course on Mike'sLessons.com. If you couldn't do that with me, don't freak out. That takes a ton of work. So either start with the beginner or maybe the intermediate hand speed course. Remember, this is a great way to warm up your hands, but don't put all this effort into something just for a warm up. Try to think, how could you use that? Put that over a bio. I hope you got something out of this, and I will see you guys next time.